This is something for all of my mamas, my stay-at-home moms that are trying to make some extra income. This is something for all my 9-to-5 girlies that are just can't make ends meet with that 9-to-5 check. This is for all my content creators who are having slow months, slow moments with brand deals and opportunities. Back to my channel. I know y'all probably haven't seen my face in a while. Just to give you a little update and show you what I've been up to. As you guys can tell by the title of this video, your girl has come across a new business venture that has been very lucrative, and this is my first month of doing it, and I definitely want to share it with my girls because I know a lot of us are trying to find ways to make ends meet, try to get the income to income the way it's supposed to. So I want to come in and share my little story with y'all and what I've been doing and show you exactly how I've been able to make about $3,500 in a span of 28 to 30 days. So if you guys are interested in getting the tea, getting the information, definitely stick around and check this video out. Before we go any further though, definitely go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video. And of course, binge watch the rest of my videos. And if you like what you see here, subscribe to the channel, okay? In the course of the last 4 weeks, I have been able to generate about $3,500 in income. That's 100% passive income. And literally, you guys, I've been making money in my sleep. I've been making $500 days. I've been making $1,000 days doing this simple thing called digital marketing. So before we go any further, I just want to show you like the proof in the pudding, okay? So as you guys can see, I'm going to come in a little closer. In the last 14 days, if y'all can see that, it says 14 days. I've been able to make $1,060, okay? And then if we do a custom range of when I actually started my business, which was in January 28th to the 28th of this month, as you guys can see, I've made $3,418.20. And then I did do some sales, some blue pre-sales before this whole thing started. And that was like mid-January-ish. So if we want to go start from there, then we're looking at $3,445.20. So as you guys can see, the proof is in the pudding here. So basically what I do is I offer a course that teaches you how to get started within digital marketing. So basically it's a digital product, which is the course itself, that teaches you how to get started with digital marketing as far as finding the type of products that you want to do, finding the type of niche that you want to do, creating the products, whether that's in Canva or wherever you want to create them, ChatGPT, to marketing the product, to actually putting the product on Instagram or whatever, creating reels, etc. So that's exactly what the course teaches you. And the great thing about this course is that it contains master resale rights, which means once you purchase the exact same course from me, you get to sell the exact same course and make your money. So once you sell one course, of course, that's your investment back. And then any course after that is 100% profit all to you. So you're just basically repeatedly selling the course. And another great thing that comes with the course is that it also has PLR products inside, which are private label rights, which means there are guides and ebooks within this course that are already done for you, made for you, and you can literally just resell those. Or you can change the colors, you can change the titling, change some of the fonts or whatever you want to do to that and resell it. So basically, these are products that you don't have to spend days, weeks, and months creating. And literally you set up your store however you want to sell it. If you're going to do it on Shopify, if you're going to do it on Beacons, if you're going to do it on Stand Store, whatever you want to use to sell your product, you set the store up and you begin selling the product. You don't have to create anything yourself if you don't want to. You can literally just take what is already there for you and make money. The easiest way to make money ever. And what's so awesome about the digital product world is that there's not a physical product that I have to package and ship and pay for postage and all that good stuff. I'm literally just taking a digital product, which is like an ebook or a guide or whatever it may be, and I can sell that and make 100% profit because I don't have to pay any shipping. I don't have to pay, any inventory fees or anything like that. Another awesome thing about this course, like I told you guys, you can basically take the information in here to create your own digital product and sell it. Now, if you guys have noticed, there's been a new trend, a new fad, a new fade going around on Instagram where people are having these faceless accounts. and they're able to, create content or sell their products on their Facebook account. As a matter of fact, this particular course teaches you exactly how to start your Faceless Instagram account, your niche-based account, and you can do your digital marketing off of that. So if you don't want people to even know it's you selling this course, there's a way that Instagram and not have a ton of followers and still make money. So the name of the course is the Digital Wealth Academy, you guys. And y'all, when I tell you the platform that they have built with the Digital Wealth Academy, this community is absolutely amazing. There's so much guidance. There's so much help. There's weekly Zoom calls where we get in there and we kind of help each other, succeed in this business. For a lot of people starting out, they're making 3 and 5K in a matter of weeks, you guys. It's absolutely insane. And you also have those girls that are making 17 and 20K. But the thing about this course is it teaches you exactly how to run a business, you guys. And the best part about it for me is being able to run a business on autopilot, which means I don't have to check inventory. I don't have to go in here and check out the sales and do this and fulfill orders and stuff while people are going onto my website and purchasing the course. It literally is automated 100%. As a matter of fact, the course teaches you how to set up your business automation, how to set up your email marketing, your funnels to get people to your website to purchase the item. There's also information about affiliate marketing if that's also something that you wanted to do in addition to the digital marketing, which is where you get paid from brands for sharing, their links and things like that, just like you would do for Amazon. That's like an affiliate marketing where if I purchase something for Amazon, I can take my link and place it for someone to buy something. And then of course I get commissions off of that. So this course also teaches you exactly how to do that and what websites that you can use to get started. It also teaches you how to brand and create passion behind your business to make sure that you're running it smoothly. There's a ChatGPT masterclass. There's a module about creating Instagram reels and not just telling you, what to do. And I don't just mean telling you what to do either. I mean literally showing you how to get in there and make Instagram reels that convert followers into dollars. Okay. Also, the course teaches you how to build trust with your audience. So even if you were not into the digital marketing space as far as wanting to resell these products as your own, you can learn how to make your business thrive online. So if you have a business that's a brick and mortar or anything like that and you really wanted to thrive online, this course is also great for that. The course itself is $497. I invested my money. I did it scared, you guys. I did it scared, but I also realized that, in order to see change, you have to take chances. And a lot of the times, those big investments are what scares us, but they are also great opportunities. As long as you're putting in the work necessary it is to get something done, then you're going to receive a great outcome. So I went ahead around maybe like the first or second week of January or like towards the end of January, I start seeing, or so like the middle of January, I start seeing information about digital marketing. Now, digital marketing is something I've done before as far as like selling digital products. As you guys know, if you've been on my channel for a long time, you guys know that I used to sell ebooks about doing keto, about how to start with keto, losing weight with keto. I've done one-on-one virtual trainings online about YouTube. So I've done a lot in the digital product space. And this was just like, it came at a time in my life where I needed it. So just to give y'all a little bit of backstory, as you guys know, I'm a content creator. And last year, I decided to go ahead and quit my job and become a content creator full time. I was even signed to a talent agency. Well, things changed at the talent agency. They decided to go to a different direction of the actual company overall, and they dropped me from the agency. By that time, I had no traction, no nothing. And then I was already kind of in my head about that. And then I was turning 29, so I was in my head about that. So your girl was just like done. I wasn't necessarily done, but I just didn't know where I wanted to go next. But the thing is, when you just can't just stop doing anything when you don't have a regular 9-to-5 job. So here I was, a content creator, not creating any content. Therefore, I was not bringing in any money. Okay. And so, like I said, around the middle of January, I saw the digital marketing and I saw the DWA course, and I was like, maybe I should take it. Maybe I shouldn't. I saw a few people that sold the course for like $600 something, and I was just like, I'm just not willing to do that. Then I saw this one faceless page, you guys, and her page was so beautiful, so flawless. And she talks about her journey. She told us her story multiple times on her page. And she also shared all of her wins. At this day and time, I think she's about maybe 60 days into digital marketing. And she has made over $500,000 from selling the same exact course that I am selling. And so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I went ahead and signed up. I took about a week to take in the information, to figure out how I could apply it to my own business model. And I went ahead and launched my store on January the 28th. You guys, today is February the 28th, and I have made, as you guys can see, almost $3,500 doing digital products, okay? Selling digital products. And like I said, this is passive income. So this all go to me. I made back my investment within the first 4 days. By the 6 days, I believe, I had already doubled my investment. And I think by 11 days, I quadrupled my investment. So ever since then, I've just been making the money. And I've been having $500 days. I've been having $1,000 days. And it's just insane, okay? Absolutely insane to even think. Absolutely insane to think that I was scared to sell high ticket items before, thinking that I couldn't do it or I won't be able to sell a high ticket item. And look at me now. I am selling this course like this, and it's absolutely amazing. I'm so grateful. And for any of you that are thinking the same thing, that you're scared to invest the money and all this, that, and the third, I get it. I understand. But sometimes you just really have to take risks, you guys. And when you take those risks, sometimes the reward is absolutely amazing. So I'm hoping that next month is my 5K month, okay? And after that, we're going to 10. After that, we're going to 20. So if you guys are interested in getting into this digital marketing world, you guys, this is a $1 billion plus industry. It ain't going nowhere no time soon. Master resale right products are just going crazy, and this is definitely the time to get in where you fit in and start your journey today. So if you're interested in the Digital Wealth Academy, you're interested in selling digital products just the way that I am, definitely check out my link in the description box below. It's going to contain a lot more information or elaborate a lot more information than I did here in this video. I just wanted to really put this out really quickly so that you guys can check it out and have the opportunity to go ahead and purchase. This is something for all of my mamas, my stay-at-home moms that are trying to make some extra income. This is something for all my 9-to-5 girlies that just can't make ends meet with that 9-to-5 check. This is for all my content creators who are having slow months, slow moments with brand deals and opportunities. This is for anyone who just wants to earn some extra income to maybe, do a little traveling, maybe just, get some massages every month or take your family out to eat every couple of weeks or whatever the case may be. This is how people are making their earnings and making their livings in 2024. So yeah, if you guys are interested, definitely let me know. Hit me up on Instagram. You guys can find a lot more information about my journey, my growth, and just the digital products and Digital Wealth Academy in general on my Instagram and my highlights. I'll leave that information in the description box below as well. So make sure that you check everything out. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram, okay? Follow me and then DM me so I can see your message. And we are definitely going to go ahead and get everybody prepared and get everybody ready for the rest of 2024 by making a little extra income, okay? All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down in the comment section below if you have any more questions. And like I said, binge watch my videos. If you find out that you love me, then go ahead and subscribe. And don't worry for my girls. I know y'all are sweating me hard. There's a vlog coming. I just haven't edited yet, but it's coming. Peace.
16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride. 16 carriages driving away while I watch them ride with my dreams away to the summer sunset on a holy night on a